So guys, I want to show you how to use this. You switch this Oral-B IO Serial 3 on from this button, and this is responsive intuition smart pressure sensor, display red light when brushing too hard and green light when brushing is just right. And this is the main micro vibrance toothbrush, dentist inspired unique round brush head, clean with micro vibrations and oscillating action. So it goes in, and you can see that the brush is going round. Just gonna try it. If you push it, you can see it's showing us. If you push it hard, it's showing us red. You see, if we push it in, it's showing us red. If we push it gently, it's showing us green, just about the right. So this is what we have here. So this is how to operate this. You can see just about the right amount, right? If we push it down, red. Just put it in, push it down. If you want to remove it, push it up, push down and up to remove it. You can see showing us green, red. So you put it in the quick charging station, and once it's fully charged, it can last up to two weeks. This is the power cable. You just plug this in to the socket and connect this end, and you are ready to go. So this is what we have here. I'm happy with this brush Oral-B IO Serial 3. Thank you.